Hello, this is a special video briefing from the National Weather Service office on Corpus Christi on the Nueces River flooding. Today is Friday, October 18th. This is the 4 p.m. briefing. I'm lead forecaster Jason Runyon. Here's an overview. A significant heavy rain event occurred last Sunday and Monday across LaSalle and Dimmitt counties in the brush country and has produced major flooding along the Nueces River. Major lowland flooding is occurring. Flooding has been observed miles from the main channel of the Nueces River in some areas. A dangerous life and property threat is occurring along the Nueces River from near Three Rivers to Lake Corpus Christi. Rises are expected to begin taking place at Lake Corpus Christi by midweek next week. And there is a decent possibility Lake Corpus Christi will fill to capacity. Here's a map of the rainfall that occurred last Sunday into Monday. The Nueces River is highlighted here in blue, and in the headwaters of the Nueces River, a widespread area of heavy rainfall fell with a bullseye of 15 to 17 inches that occurred near Asherton. That water has traveled down the Nueces River through Cotulla and as of today was flowing through McMullen and into Live Oak counties. Yesterday, satellite image caught the flood wave across southern McMullen County and southeastern LaSalle County. In this image you can see circled in red the flood wave that appears from satellite. As the flood wave went through Cotulla, it crested on Thursday with its fourth highest crest on record. A gradual fall of the Nueces River at Cotulla is expected over the weekend, falling below flood stage Sunday night. Here's two images of the Nueces River at Cotulla as the flood wave was approaching earlier in the week. The Nueces River near Tilden crested Thursday night with its third highest crest on record. Nearly 36,000 cubic feet of water per second was observed during the peak of the crest. A slow fall of the Nueces River near Tilden is expected over the weekend. However, it will remain in flood stage through October 29th. Here's a few images of the Nueces River near Tilden caught on Thursday just before the river crested. The Nueces River near Three Rivers, the flood wave is expected to arrive late tonight into Saturday morning, with a sharp rise occurring overnight tonight. The river will crest near 40.1 feet with 20,000 cubic feet of water per second. This is comparable to the 2003 flood that occurred along the Nueces River near Three Rivers. The river will remain in major flood through October 29th. More on the timing of the flood wave. As of today, the flood wave was just about to approach just south of Three Rivers. It's expected to arrive overnight into Saturday morning. Then by noon on Sunday, the flood wave should be approaching near George West, and sometime late Monday or into Tuesday, the flood wave should be approaching the headwaters of Lake Corpus Christi. A closer look at the Nueces River near Three Rivers. You can see highlighted in blue here the Nueces River flows south of Three Rivers by about a mile or so, but the Frio River connects into the Nueces River, and there is the potential as the flood wave travels down the Nueces River that the Frio River could back up and possibly impact some low-lying areas, including a campground near Highway 72. A closer look at the Nueces River near George West. The Nueces River flows east of George West. We're not expecting any significant impacts to the city of George West. However, there are some small subdivisions and homes along the Nueces River in rural areas that will be impacted. Regarding Lake Corpus Christi, again, the flood wave should reach the headwaters of Lake Corpus Christi sometime late Monday into early Tuesday, with rises expected through midweek and into the following week. Lake Corpus Christi is currently at 25.3% of capacity with a lake elevation of 80.49 feet. Water from this flood is expected to increase the lake capacity to possibly near full capacity over the next 7 to 10 days. There is additional rainfall in the 7-day forecast. Our best chances of rain will occur tonight through Saturday morning, and then again Sunday night through Monday morning. On average, the heaviest rainfall will actually fall downstream of Lake Corpus Christi across the coastal bend, where between 1/2 and 1 inch of rain is possible. Additional rainfall in the Nueces River Basin upstream of Lake Corpus Christi of less than 1/2 inch of rain is expected. So to summarize the impacts, major lowland flooding is occurring along the Nueces River. Flooding miles from the main channel is occurring in some areas, not all areas. There is a dangerous life and property threat that will occur along the Nueces River across McMullen County and from near Three Rivers to Lake Corpus Christi. Flooding of homes in the floodplain near Three Rivers to Lake Corpus Christi may occur. Roads and bridges near the river will also flood, along with hunting cabins, oil-filled tank batteries, pump jacks, and irrigation pumps in the lowest areas. In addition, cattle will be cut off in the floodplain. And again, we expect rises to begin occurring by midweek next week and continue for 7 to 10 days. And there is a decent possibility that Lake Corpus Christi will fill to capacity. Thanks for watching this special video briefing on the flooding situation along the Nueces River. For additional weather briefings, check out our South Texas daily weather briefings available at weather.gov/Corpus Christi.